Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to discuss one important problem from linear differential equations of this type, that is dy over dx plus py is equal to q. Right now here this problem can be solved with the help of the concept of linear differential equation. Right, so let us quickly take the concept of linear differential equation, although we have already discussed it in detail in our earlier videos. Right, so if we have a differential equation of this type, that is dy over dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. Right, then what we do, we first find out the integrating factor. Right, the integrating factor of the linear differential equation of this type is given by e raised to integral of p dx. Right, so this is the integrating factor of this type of linear differential equation. And the second is the second step is the solution of this equation. Once we have obtained the integrating factor, is given by y times integrating factor, and then we have integral of q times integrating factor plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Right, so in order to solve this type of linear differential equation, we have to proceed in two steps. So the first one is to find the integrating factor, and the second one is the solution which is given by this expression. Right, okay, now here we have this problem, 2x dy plus y dx is equal to 6x cube dx, where x is greater than 0. So when we look at this equation, then this equation doesn't look like this form. Right, so what we will do, let us rearrange this equation and convert it in this form. So we have 2x dy plus y dx is equal to 6x cube dx. Right, now if we divide both sides by dx, then we have 2x dy over dx plus y is equal to 6x cube, and in the next step let us divide both sides by 2x. So we have y over dy over dx plus y over 2x is equal to, here we have 6x cube over 2x, that is 3x square. Right, so now we have the equation dy over dx plus 1 over 2x. See, here we have 1 over 2x, and here we have y, and here we have 3x square. Right, now if we compare this equation with this one, then we see that the value of p is 1 over 2x, and the value of q is 3x square, and we see that p and q are both functions of x. Right, okay, so now we'll find out the integrating factor, which is e raised to integral of p, and e is the exponential number. So here p is 1 over 2x dx, and this can be written as half and dx over x, and the integral of 1 over x is log x. Right, and here the base is e, which is the exponential number. So integrating factor is now equal to e raised to log x raised to half, because here we have used the property, that is a log b is equal to log b raised to a, right? And now e raised to log x raised to half is equal to x raised to half, because we know that e raised to log p is equal to p. So here we have used these two important results. So the integrating factor of the given equation is square root of x, right? Now in the second step we have to write the solution. So the solution of this equation can be written as y times integrating factor. So integrating factor is x raised to half, and here we have integral of q times integrating factor. So q is 3x square, and the integrating factor is x raised to half dx plus c. C is the constant of integration, right? So now we can write it as y times x raised to half, and here 3 can be taken outside, and we have x raised to 2 plus half is 5 over 2. So we have x raised to 5 over 2 dx plus c, and the integral of x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1, where n is not equal to minus 1. So here for n we have 5 over 2, so we can write it as y x raised to half is equal to 3 times x raised to 5 over 2 plus 1 over 5 over 2 plus 1 plus c, right? Okay, so now we can simplify it. So we have y times x raised to half, and this is 3 times x raised to 7 over 2. Here we have 7 over 2 plus c, right? So now taking this 2 to the numerator, we can write y x raised to half is equal to 6 over 7 x raised to 7 over 2 plus c, and dividing throughout by x raised to half. So we have y is equal to 6 over 7 x raised to 7 over 2 minus half plus c times x raised to minus half, right? So what we have done here, we have divided both sides by x raised to half, right? So now y is equal to 6 over 7 x raised to 7 minus 1 is 6, so 6 over 2 is 3 plus c times x raised to minus half, right? So viewers, this is the general solution of the given differential equation.